How do we wait for a specific element to be visible or enabled in Selenium? A. WebDriver wait. Driver. Until. EC. Visibility underscore of underscore element underscore located. By. ID. My ID. B. WebDriver wait. Driver. 10. UNTIL. EC. Presence underscore of underscore element underscore located. By. ID. My ID. C. WebDriver wait. Driver. 10. UNTIL. EC. Visibility underscore of underscore element underscore located. By. ID. My ID. D. WebDriver wait. Driver. Until. EC. Presence underscore of underscore element underscore locate D. By. ID. My ID.